What is the largest species of deer? The answer is B. Moose is the largest species of deer. Which bird lays the largest egg relative to its body size? The answer is B. Kiwi lays the largest egg relative to its body size. Which animal has the longest gestation period? The answer is C. Elephant has the longest gestation period. Which mammal has the longest lifespan? The answer is B. Bowhead whale has the longest lifespan. Which reptile can change its color for communication and camouflage? The answer is C. Chameleon can change its color for communication and camouflage.